Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to book a bite-sized activity with Wildgoose in just a few minutes. Bite-sized activities are free to play and easy to book online. They typically run for 20 to 30 minutes and are designed for small teams of up to 15 participants. Bite-sized activities are ideal for increasing energy levels and collaborative skills. They're flexible to your needs and provide a sustainable solution to team-building connections. From mindfulness and well-being to icebreakers and virtual happy hours, our virtual bite-sized activities are perfect for bringing teams together. We have 6 activities to choose from and are regularly adding new ones, so keep an eye out for new themes. Let me show you how booking a bite-sized activity works. Simply click Book Now on the activity you're interested in and choose the date and time that suits you best. Click Confirm, and boom, you've booked a bite-sized activity with us. Create a free account with us to manage your booking. This will give you access to your unique game code, an overview of how the game works, and the ability to share your event details with your team. Playing our interactive bite-sized games couldn't be easier. Simply ensure all participants have downloaded the Mobile Adventures app from the App Store or Play Store. Teams will enter the 12-digit game code in the white box on their game screen, take a selfie, and hit Join Game to begin their bite-sized activity. Depending on the game, participants will tap icons as they appear on the screen to unlock fun tasks and challenges. We're sure you're going to love our bite-sized games. We can't wait to see you.